Hello and welcome to MDG Connected Solutions, where getting connected with MDG Connect is fast and easy. MDG is the world's leading provider of cellular solutions and services that help companies run successful businesses more easily. Oh, and MDG Connect is the only solution of its kind. With years of PBX development and sales experience, and realizing there needed to be a much more efficient and cost-effective way to implement and benefit from PBX systems, MDG created MDG Connect, a one-of-a-kind, state-of-the-art platform to easily sell and implement any VoIP solution on the market today. The MDG differentiation process begins with comprehensive network qualification and router tests to ensure that customer bandwidth and compatibility meet all VoIP system requirements. Once confirmed, customers are ready to capitalize. Whether they are simply enjoying one of MDG's many phone systems, working complex digital whiteboards, tapping a unique PA system, or porting toll-free numbers, each customer enjoys a seamless portal setup, completed error-free order forms, and failover routers, including Simply Bonding, a custom MDG solution that ensures that calls are never dropped. And nationwide installations are available when you order 4 or more lines with MDG. Most importantly, though, is that customer service is always number one at MDG. To ensure that the customer experience is consistently easy and trouble-free, MDG provides 1 year of free customer phone support that connects with a 24/7 support portal. MDG also hosts customer training webinars, and each customer is provided with a dedicated team of MDG Connect specialists who are happy and ready to assist at any time. So, no matter the carrier or company you represent, working with MDG gets even easier when you tap the power behind the MDG real-time dashboard. Thanks for taking the time. It's been nice meeting you. And remember, only MDG Connected Solutions has all these features to sell and implement MDG Connect quickly and easily. We look forward to working with you.